Maggi in microwave. So many children, even me included, are not allowed to go near the stove or fire. So I have brought you a very easy and a simple recipe, that is Maggi in the oven. Go ask your parents to use the microwave. I have asked my parents, so I'm gonna use microwave. If you are allowed, you can also do. So this is a secret. Don't tell to anyone that we are making Maggi in microwave. So let's go for the recipe. So the ingredients are Maggi, water, a bowl and a spoon. So let's start. Okay, so now I have broken this into pieces and now I'll be adding the water. I am adding 1 cup of water. Stir it well so that it becomes soft. Now I'll be microwaving this for 2 minutes. Okay, so now I have boiled it and now I will add the taste maker. Now I'll add the taste maker. Now I have added the taste maker and now I'll be mixing it. This looks so yummy from now itself. Now I will microwave this again after adding the taste maker for 3 minutes. So I have microwaved this in the oven and now I'm gonna mix it again. Ooh, it's so much hot. As you can see the smoke. Now for the garnishing, I will be adding some chili flakes. And now for the garnishing, I will be adding dill. 1 leaf of coriander. This is ready to eat. I'll be tasting it. So for fun, I bought here magic sticks, which are chopsticks. So let's go and check it out. I'm so eager to taste it. Let's taste it. Ooh, it's so tasty. It looks so tasty. I'm so eager to taste it. Let's taste this tasty thing. It's so tasty, guys, and it's so nice and delicious that I want to eat this whole bowl, and it's amazing. Please try it and comment down below how it turned out for you guys, whether it became hard because you didn't add much water, or it became soft because you did everything correctly and we did first time in the oven. So if you like this video, please drop a big thumbs up for this video, like, comment, subscribe and share this video. Bye guys, meet you in the next video.